Hello, everyone. Good day. I know you're having a great day. This is a random rant. So, today I'm going to rant about titles. So, I have been asked, do I believe in God? And I 1000% believe in God. I just have a different title for God. And we're not going to get caught up in titles, because the main important thing is that you believe in something. And see, a lot of people here in the United States and in this continent, let me say that, are practicing textbook religion and spirituality. And the surprising thing is that regardless if you are into Jesus Christ, Jesus, Buddha, Muslim, Moors, go visit these places. Go visit the birthplace of Jesus. And you'll find, just as when Malcolm X visited, the textbook version and the real life version ain't the same. So do your research. Unfortunately, we've been programmed and mostly brainwashed about most of these spiritual and religious ways of thinking. But when you visit, you'll see a whole different thing. This is one continent of 7. Go to the other 6 continents and look at the different ways they view spirituality and religion. It's completely different. And so when I talk about your Ori, people are like, is that black magic or voodoo? And let me give you a prime example. You're about to go outside and something tells you, it's cold, you better put a coat on. That is your Ori. That is your inner conscience telling you, hey, we gonna be cold if we don't put a coat on. So if you feel that or have any thought or idea that that's black magic or voodoo, congratulations. You too have voodoo and black magic within your thought process. And the thing about that is, no matter what title you give God, if you can't connect with yourself, your Ori, your inner conscience, then you won't be able to connect with any name for God or any goals that you have in your life, whether it be weight loss, financial stability, releasing some of those mental pains that bothered you when you were young. So that's my rant for today. That's my pushing point. Don't just go off of the textbook. You take a trip. You take a journey. And you'll see the difference. If it's something you truly believe in, then you'll take the time and make the time to find out the origin of the things that you're praising. Now, this isn't a Bible bash. I hate Bible bashers. This isn't a bash on any specific religion or spirituality. But in all honesty, go visit the place where it was created, and you'll see a difference from what you know today. It's not going to change what you know. It's either going to build up what you know or correct the things that you were taught. And again, that's my pushing point. Have a wonderful day.